Hello, people of India. Welcome to India's Pocket Stories. Here, no fluff, just facts. When India became independent in 1947, the country was still developing. There were very few industries, most people worked in farming, and incomes were very low for many families. So the government took a big role in building the nation. It focused on agriculture, public sector companies, and basic industries like steel and power. India was moving forward, but the growth was slow. Then came a very important year, 1991. India faced a serious financial crisis. The country did not have enough money to buy goods from other countries, so the government made major changes. India opened its economy to the world. This meant foreign companies could invest in India, Indian businesses got more freedom, and trade with other countries increased. After this, India's economy started growing much faster, new industries came up, jobs increased, cities expanded, the middle class began to grow.